Take your time, relax, relax. I'm going to talk to Anita. I'm just going to talk to Anita.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie, how are you?
No, go continue. I just.
My daughter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, she's lovely.
Oh, thank you. Amanda. What's your first name?
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Yeah.
Larry. That's my son, Larry.
Hi, Larry.
Hi. Oh, you have a wonderful mother.
Thank
She's
you.
Come on, Larry.
No, I have nothing. I'm just waiting for.
Okay.
Yeah, go talk.
Hello.
I'm waiting for.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, relax. Slow down. I'm going to put some Valium in your tea.
What's up?
Okay. Tuna wrap.
What kind of wrap?
The tomato, the dried tomato.
Cheese and mayonnaise?
Little mayonnaise, provolone cheese. Take your time. Relax.
Yeah, my love. I got things to do.
I know.
I'm on a roll.
I know.
gotta get things done. If I slow down, then I can't get back up.
It's Laura, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I gotta get it going.
Provolone, yeah.
Once I slow down, I lose all the energy I got. Alright, tuna, and what else?
Spinach, tomato,
Okay.
pickles,
Okay.
tomato, pickles, spinach. Give it a double shot of tomatoes and forget the olives. I was going to get olives. Just give it a
Spinach and tomatoes?
spinach, tomatoes. Do you have any green pepper?
I got green peppers.
Okay. Give it a little more.
More?
Why not? And do you have any honey mustard today? Yeah, or horseradish? It doesn't matter. And the shakers, all of them.
Anita, can you help me real quick?
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
You don't have to cut it in half, just put it in a box.
What do you mean? Just to get that stuff off there so it's not getting cold. Alright. Anytime I'm gonna put this in the case.
Thank you, Laura. Put an L here, because I want to, I always do the survey.
Okay. Have a good day, hello.
Take your time. Relax. It's only me.
Okie dokie, Larry.
Okie dokie. There's one for the wrap, and I'll take a slice of pizza.
All right.
This is for the pizza one.
There's that.
And can I get a lotto?
Sure.
$2?
For New York Lotto.
Yeah. How about a Powerball too?
Want a Powerball?
Yeah.
All right, $2 in Lotto.
Oh wait.
Oh, you want both?
Both, yeah.
All right, $4 in Lotto. I'll go get it. Oh,